I can't name a single industry in which artificial intelligence will not and cannot be applied. Just a BTech degree will not suffice. Just a bachelor's in math and stat will not suffice. जो experts globally कहते हैं कि इतनी acute shortage है of competent artificial intelligence. Hello and welcome to Your Careers. Hi, I'm Pervin Malhotra, and today Zubin and I will be discussing careers in artificial intelligence. This is a fascinating field, but before we proceed, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified of all the new videos that we make in the future.
Artificial intelligence is the stuff of science fiction, but the science fiction and the stuff of imagination of writers is now today a reality, or almost. So how does one actually go about making fiction into fact? Or to put it simply, how does one get started in a career in artificial intelligence?
Well, there are a couple of ways at least that you can get started. As artificial intelligence is very closely linked with computer science and IT. So, doing a BTech course either in computer science or in IT would hold you in good stead. And now there are a few very special BTech courses that incorporate artificial intelligence within their BTech degree. So if you can get something like that, it will give you a preview of what lies ahead. So that is one strong base to start your career in artificial intelligence. And the second would be a very strong domain knowledge in statistics and mathematics. These are just starting building blocks. Just a BTech degree will not suffice. Just a bachelor's in math and stat will not suffice. You will have to pursue further specializations in either solely in artificial intelligence or with artificial intelligence to make this into a robust career.
Now, up until now, the majority of courses or training that we would see were actually more in the form of online courses and certifications, right. Some professional certifications, so to speak, not so much as formal degrees, because universities are slower to catch up on these trends, create an entire course structure around them. So so if you were to get into the debate of formal degrees, whether at the bachelor's or the master's level versus professional degrees, how do you view that?
Oh, I would definitely say that please either do a BTech in computer science or IT. That would be a very, very good base. Of course, if you get a BTech in artificial intelligence, which would also be essentially computer science, please take that. Else, specialize in mathematics or statistics. These would be very good starting points. Those online courses can be add-ons, and that too after your master's degree. At the master's degree, again, you would do an MTech, for instance, or an MS or MSc in computer science and artificial intelligence or neural network processing, etc.
Now, for things like natural language processing or the user experience or data analytics, these are some of the areas, or of course in artificial intelligence research or in computer software engineering. If somebody or a student doesn't necessarily get into a BTech computer science or a information technology course and wishes to continue get into this field at the master's level, what are some of the other areas from which they can dovetail into
mathematics, statistics? These are two areas that you can dovetail into. Plus, if you have domain knowledge, it is artificial intelligence is not a general thing. It is artificial intelligence applied to automobile industry, artificial intelligence applied to healthcare, etc., transportation, or business communication. you have the Alexa, you have the Siri, stuff like that. So आपको डोमेन नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए वो उस इंडस्ट्री का जिसमें आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को अप्लाई करेंगे, और इसके अलावा आपको यू डू नीड नॉलेज एटलीस्ट, चलो बीटेक नहीं है, एमसीए है या बीएससी आईटी या बीएससी बीसीए है, एंड यू शुड नो सर्टेन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस, दीज आर अ मस्ट. आपको आर, पाइथन, सी प्लस प्लस, जावा, इनका तो नॉलेज, वर्किंग नॉलेज होना ही चाहिए.
So far, the publicly known use cases of artificial intelligence have typically been things like IBM's Watson
Yes.
in healthcare and diagnostics. We read about applications in perhaps the retail sector, in transportation or supply chain automation. Where are some of the other areas that you see where AI jobs will be available in the near future?
I can't name a single industry in which artificial intelligence will not and cannot be applied. Across industries, from education to gaming to banking, financial services, healthcare, transportation, everything will all converge into AI or use and incorporate AI.
A topical and slightly controversial question. We often hear that AI will be a job eater, in the sense that it will reduce and take away many other jobs which would be done otherwise by multiple teams or people. These will all get collapsed into fewer number of jobs, and that the old debate of machines taking away human jobs. What is your opinion on that?
Yes, one robot can do the repetitive tasks that 10 human beings can do. But to train that robot to be able to do those tasks, to incorporate artificial intelligence into the robot, and when I talk of training robots, etc., we are talking about the domain of ML, machine learning. ऑल राइट, तो मशीन लर्निंग के लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को स्टडी करना है इन कोट्स, एंड देन उसमें से जो पैटर्न्स इमर्ज करते हैं उन पैटर्न्स को कंप्यूटर में इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है, सो दैट अ कंप्यूटर सीमिंगली बिहेव्स लाइक a human being, thinks like a human being. बहुत बार जब आप कॉलेज एप्लीकेशंस के लिए जाते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी की साइट्स पर, एंड यू नो वो जो चैट विंडो होती है जिसमें कहते हैं हाई आई एम सुनीता, कैन आई हेल्प यू, वेरी ऑफन देर इज़ नो ह्यूमन सुनीता, दैट सुनीता इज़ अ चैट बॉट, and that is artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence के साथ साथ बहुत important, क्यों artificial intelligence आज सब industries में prevalent है, क्योंकि जिस तरह से data कलेक्ट हो रहा है, जिस स्केल पर डेटा कलेक्ट हो रहा है और उसको एनालाइज, बिकॉज अनलेस यू हैव ह्यूमंगस क्वांटिटीज ऑफ डेटा विच यू कैन एनालाइज एंड कोलेट, you will not be able to translate into artificial intelligence. So ये डेटा में पैटर्न्स निकाल कर ये पैटर्न्स कंप्यूटर में फीड किए जाते हैं. So that is how it proceeds.
This all sounds very exciting and very futuristic. To learn a little bit more about the course as it is taught at the undergraduate level, let's hear from Manav Rachna University for a BTech in Computer Science with a specialization in Artificial Intelligence.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies equip the computer-based systems with human-like intelligence to build intelligent machines which can think like human, see like human and perceive like human. यानी कि बौद्धिक क्षमता को मशीनों में बनावटी तरीके से विकसित किया जाता है. इसका बहुत ही सादा उदाहरण है रोबोट्स, जो कि हमारे जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में उपयोग किए जा रहे हैं. BTech degree course in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning imparts knowledge and skills to students to develop automated systems, be it apps, websites, standalone systems using computer languages and technologies, and integrating artificial intelligence to train the software to think like human brain by the use of machine learning algorithms. समय के साथ ये बुद्धिमान मशीनें और भी बुद्धिमान होती जाती हैं। BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is a 4-year degree course which is spread over 8 semesters. Right from the first semester, students are offered a bouquet of specialized and industry-driven courses which are specific to AI and ML every semester, like Introduction to Statistics, Probability and Linear Algebra, Python programming language, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, advanced neural networks, natural language processing, deep learning, computer vision, etc. The most significant part is a hands-on practice component is attached to every theoretical course, which will impart practical skills to the student to make them industry ready with great emphasis on project-based learning. ये डिग्री कोर्स करने वाले छात्रों के लिए डेटा साइंटिस्ट और मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर्स जैसी पोजीशन के लिए नौकरियों की कोई कमी नहीं रहेगी and they will be much sought after by the companies after completing this course. The 8th and the final semester of this BTech degree course in AI and ML is actually meant for internship in industry, which allows a student to apply his technical know-how in real-life situations and problems and become industry ready. इस इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद एक स्टूडेंट की जॉब लेने की क्षमता बहुत बढ़ जाती है. The basic skills which are required to excel in the field of AI and ML are computer science fundamentals, statistics, probability and linear algebra, programming skills, data modeling and evaluation to gain insights from the data, and applying machine learning libraries to enable the system to make predictions.
So if you are looking at a cutting edge career or a field which is going to last for the next decade or the decades to come, I think, and if you're computer savvy, mathematically oriented, logical, analytical thinking, research oriented, पढ़ने का शौक है आपको, ये सब है, तब artificial intelligence, is going to be the oil of the future. In fact, जो एक्सपर्ट्स ग्लोबली कहते हैं कि इतनी एक्यूट शॉर्टेज है ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पीपल, और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इंडस्ट्री में पर्कुलेट नहीं हो पाया है जिस स्केल पर होना चाहिए, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द डर्थ ऑफ पीपल, एंड देयर आर वेरी फ्यू इंस्टीट्यूशंस विच आर इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट करिकुलम. सो इफ you are lucky enough to get an institution that gives this to you, please grab it, but be prepared to study further and further, probably if not at least up to a master's level, that and advanced courses, or even up to a PhD level. But there is no end to research and possibilities in this career. This video was brought to you courtesy Banavrachna University.